Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to move your Bitcoin from Coinbase Wallet to Revolut in 2025, you're in the right place. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, but always double check for any changes in fees or policies. Let's dive right in and get you set up step by step. First off, make sure you have both a Coinbase account with some Bitcoin in it and a Revolut account that's enabled for crypto. This is crucial to avoid any hiccups along the way. Start by opening your Coinbase app or website and logging in securely. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard and select the Bitcoin wallet you want to transfer from. It's that simple. Look for the asset list and click on BTC. Next, hit the Send or Withdraw button. This is where things get exciting. Before you proceed, you'll need the Revolut Bitcoin address. Switch over to your Revolut app. Go to the crypto section and find the deposit option for Bitcoin. Revolut will generate a unique address for you. Copy it carefully to avoid any errors. Now, back in Coinbase, paste that address into the recipient field. Double check it, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Then, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Keep an eye on the network fees. In 2025, these might be lower with improved blockchain tech, but they can still add up. Review all the details one last time: amount, address, and fees, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation notification, and the transfer should process within a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. Once it's done, check your Revolut app to see your Bitcoin arrive. Pro tip: always use two-factor authentication for extra security. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your Bitcoin. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.